In this lesson, we'll use Microsoft's Health Vault, but there are several widely used personal health records, and they mostly do the same things. You should already have a Health Vault account, but we haven't yet explored it to see how it stores clinical data and what it can do to help patients use that data, including sharing it with others. So here's an example of my health data I manually input into Health Vault. You can see key data such as patient allergies, immunizations, conditions, and lab test results. As shown here, users are assisted in inputting complex information such as their condition by smart lists that pop up as they type. More recently, as meaningful use has dictated the export of at least standardized clinical summaries, the burden on the patient to record all their data is largely alleviated, and the PHR can and should import these summaries from all providers caring for that patient. Note here that I have a direct email address provided to me by Health Vault to help facilitate that.